Unleashing Nature's Power Primal Harvest Super Greens Powder Review featuring Chlorella Super Green Superfood. Welcome to our review of Primal Harvest Super Greens Powder, the ultimate superfood supplement. Today we're going to talk about the star ingredient in this amazing product, chlorella. Chlorella is a powerful green superfood that's been used for centuries due to its incredible health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's like nature's secret weapon against toxins and free radicals. Primal Harvest has harnessed the power of chlorella and combined it with other nutrient-rich supergreens to create their supergreens powder. This unique blend supports your immune system, boosts energy levels, and promotes detoxification. But what sets Primal Harvest apart is their commitment to quality. Their chlorella is sourced from the cleanest waters, ensuring the highest purity and potency. No GMOs, no artificial additives, just pure organic goodness. Adding Primal Harvest Super Greens powder to your daily routine is simple. Just mix it with water or your favorite smoothie, and you'll instantly feel the benefits. Say goodbye to low energy and hello to a vibrant, healthy life. Primal Harvest Super Greens powder is your all-in-one solution to optimize your nutrition and support your overall well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Try Primal Harvest Super Greens powder today and experience the power of chlorella and other super greens for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Stay tuned for our next amazing review.